people should be.
Yes, there is.
Yeah.
Since the babies didn't commit a crime.
Well, what does the Bible say about punishment?
So
Stone them.
Repeatedly.
I
and often.
accidentally forgot to turn it back on. So we were just going through the questions that you guys generated for each of the students' thesis and just determining where they fall, what point of thesis, what question of thesis does the question apply to, and then we're determining where their focus, the main point of stasis is at. So, okay, and right now we're with Elizabeth.
Oh, and should new laws concerning the death penalty be passed?
Okay, that's policy.
Why are Christians pro-life?
Mm-hmm.
And why?
And just define pro-life.
Wait, are Christians pro-life? That would be fact, but why are Christians pro-life?
It would be definition.
Is it? Or is it still just fact?
No, I think it's still just fact because you're going to be listing, okay, here's the reasons why. It's not so much definition.
Yeah. Okay. Renee is trying to call me. Maybe text her to tell her we're not meeting or something.
Is the death penalty a natural consequence of one's actions?
Is the death penalty I think that's definition, huh? Yes?
I gotta think about it. Hold on.
Say it again. Is
the death penalty a natural consequence of one's actions?
Definition?
I'm
Or
gonna
no,
s-
I would say fact. I don't know.
I know I have my Bible.
I think it's definition. Okay. What other questions do we have for her?
How often does the death penalty happen? And in what circumstances?
Fact.
What's the percentage of innocent people and guilty people who have been killed by the death penalty?
Here's one, like,
That's fact too, right? Or is it importance
That's
and quality? No,
fact.
it's fact.
there was one little black kid who was
Okay.
given the death penalty for stealing milk.
Well, I'm going to address after, like 1976. That was, like, the 1920s.
Does it matter what type of execution it is?
Ooh, yeah.
Quality, right? Is that a quality or a definition?
Mm-hmm.
Is it more is there a difference between how?
I think for definition is the government contradicting itself with the mandate to protect life by taking it?
And where does that fall?
Definition, I think.
Are there better alternatives to the death penalty?
Yeah.
Is that policy?
Yeah. Because if there are alternatives, like
Life in prison.
life in prison.
Well, because if there are alternatives, then that's just completely immoral. If
And
there's
there
alternatives.
are.
Well, yeah, since
Well, what's the cost of an inmate? What's the cost?
It's cheaper to have life in prison than to have solitary.
That's going to be fact, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Other questions for her?
Do all Christians support the death penalty?
Well,
Because-
do all
No, but like,
do all Christians
is it like a?
pro-life?
Yeah, because I mean, not all are.
It's what the Bible says about how we should react to sin. Should we support the death penalty? I don't know where that goes under. But that was a question.
If you bring a Christian into it, you have to address what does the Bible say. So that
That's
you
policy.
can, if you're going to bring it in.
Isn't that policy?
That's
How
what
should
what is the Bible's
Because it's
policy for
as
sinning
for
or
life.
for
No,
committing crimes?
So that would be.
Or
Fact.
what is the Bible's policy for
They're just gonna be kind of.
committing
No,
sin?
that's definition. Definition.
Yeah.
What?
Stoned to death. And if you're
Let's
leper,
not bring back stoning.
I think it's a good idea.
Well,
gets
I
the
would
crowd
say,
involved,
you
wearing,
know,
like, an electric chair,
I would ask, are the lives of unborn babies more important than the lives of a criminal?
Yeah.
it should be
And that would go to
Quality.
Are there any crimes that you think in terms of level of crimes, because you kill one person, but what if you killed?
At what point does the death penalty lowered?
If we abolish the death penalty, what's going to stop people from committing crimes? Because of the
Is that going to go to policy or no?
No, that's quality.
quality, probably.
Oh.
Interesting.
Is it more humane for the criminal to end their life or be in solitary the rest of their life?
Quality. Okay, so any other questions that we can address for Elizabeth? Okay, where's her point of stasis, do you think?
Fact and quality.
It's yours. This is Elizabeth.
Just like, what are, like, is it a deterrent? Is there basis? And then what, is it humane? Is it just?
I mean, everybody has to establish fact, right? Everybody has more fact questions
So
than anything.
it's mostly quality.
I would say so.
Why do we care?
Here.
I'm going to
Pass
erase
that to Carrie.
those check marks because everybody has to address fact. But then everybody else had another area that seems to be obvious. Okay, Rachel.
Oh,
Can't-
no, you're done.
Yours is social media.
Yep.
So is there a direct correlation to social media?
Yeah.
All fact.
Actually, that's funny because I directly addressed
Fact.
What
Okay.
constitutes social media?
Mm-hmm.
Definition.
And what
What should we do about it?
Yeah, should we get rid of social media?
Yeah,
And-
because that can.
how does it affect
What are-
us?
What
Quality.
What laws should be passed to prevent
Policy.
Okay.
depression
Laws
and
was
social
not one
Can
of
you take away social media from the teens? Is it ethical? to
Yeah,
them?
is
Parenting.
social media
Quality.
useful? Like pros versus cons.
Mm.
Do
You
the
said
benefits
parenting?
outweigh the harmfulness of it?
Yeah,
Quality.
talk about lawnmower parenting.
What is the definition of Gen Z?
Yeah,
Definition.
I think we already asked what is social media, but yeah,
Like, first, what is the timeline of Gen
Is
Z?
it
Like,
okay?
what do you define
Yeah.
it
it's
as?
like 2000
We're gonna-
from 1995 to present.
Or like who uses social media the most?
Yeah.
What is there on social media
And
that is
how-
harmful?
How does it affect older generations?
She's
Quality.
not talking about that. She's
well,
talking
the
about
problem
Gen Z.
is that I'm
How?
going specifically Gen Z,
I don't-
so addressing the
Oh.
older ones is going
I'm
to be
saying, but if you
difficult.
see how it affects old generations like millennials, and you see how it can compare how it
What?
affects
Okay,
Gen Z, and what the difference is.
bear with me, but should the parents? I'm just gonna say what I think in my head. Should the parents be blamed because social media was a brand new thing?
Mm.
It's like it's something that came out that they didn't even know what it was about, so they give
What
their
is the role
13-year-old
of the
phone.
parents in regulating social media?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Well, that's literally my thesis.
Okay.
Is social media addiction a symptom of a bigger problem?
So is your thesis is
Can
there
it lead to a
correlation, or is
different
it what should we
addiction?
do about it?
so,
Is that quality or is that fact?
I'd say fact.
so technically, my thesis is if you social media in Gen Z should be limited by parents because there is a direct correlation in the rise in suicide and depression.
Okay, so you need to establish the correlation then, and then it's just policy. Or quality and policy.
Quality and policy mostly.
So then,
Like, why do the parents need to
And-
regulate it?
what
Okay,
is the
going
role
back
of the parents?
Also, going back to the government mandate to keep people alive, does the government have a responsibility to limit social media?
Mm.
Yeah.
Okay. Any other important questions or can we move on to Abby?
Let's go on to Abby.
Okay.
Cigars.
Abby,
What?
what questions do we have for Abby? Yeah,
How do
pass.
people perceive things?
Should we disregard the older artists?
That is a
Policy.
That's yours.
That's
policy.
fine.
Thank you. My brain's kind of like
Rachel,
"Oh."
this is for you.
Does it actually have a correlation?
Fact.
And if so, how does it correlate with feedback?
Definition.
What specifically is influenced?
Oh, that's good.
And what
Is
time?
that definition?
Yes.
No. Yes.
Yeah.
And,
Sorry, I'm making you
is
go
there
like
a
that.
specific time period of art that we're looking
Yeah,
at?
what is
Mm.
early American art and
Yeah.
what is modern art?
So
Or
another
modern
definition.
history?
Okay.
What were the views of the artists?
Mm.
Okay.
What was
How should we perceive art?
How should we?
what was the artist's intent when?
Is that a quality question?
Yes.
Or policy maybe? Like what do we do about it? No, not really. I don't know.
Maybe. Maybe. I'll go with that. Okay. What else? Do you have any other Abby questions?
Yeah.
What?
Wait, do I? Probably you would need to define perceive or something of the sort because
So what is perception? What is perception?
What is perception?
what is the importance of this? So why?
Or what is the importance of perception?
Yeah, what is the
Like,
importance?
why does it matter how we feel?
And is it beneficial or negative?
Yeah,
That's quality.
both of them are quality.
Is this a problem?
Yeah.
Why should we care about what happened in our past?
And
Why is history important?
Yeah,
And
because you can
are-
totally go.
Are there reflections in
Oh.
today's society? Wait, no.
Say what? Are there reflections?
Of the past and the present.
So is that fact?
Yes, but I'm trying to word that better.
Okay, so
Oh,
where do we think she needs to focus? Her stasis, her point
It's
of
pretty
quality.
spread out, but quality and
Quality.
Point of fact.
Fact.
Is it?
I mean-
Is there a connection?
Yeah.
Is
fact
that
and
Right?
quality.
I think this is more important than anything else
Yeah.
for her. Okay, real quick, we'll do Emily.
I didn't get to
I
Emily.
didn't get to
Didn't get to Emily?
I
Okay.
did, but
Okay,
I've
what
had
do you
it.
have for Emily?
If Latin is a dead language, why learn it? Because other languages can have the same effect on the brain.
Uh-huh.
That's my big question.
Yeah, like
Does
why
definition.
specifically
Why
Latin?
specifically
Yeah.
Latin?
Is
Yeah.
Latin superior?
Like why not other languages?
Quality.
Well, I can like defend her argument right now.
Did we teach Latin in schools?
Public
Yes,
schools.
public
schools. What effect does Latin have on our brain?
Yeah. Does
Yeah,
it have
but
an
then you can
effect?
go into the
Or
essay.
does
Why is it important?
Is that definition or fact?
Fact.
Fact.
Because now we're going to does it have a correlation?
Okay.
What is Latin?
Okay.
What's brain?
And how does it affect?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why is it important?
What is the development in our
So I'm just saying here from what I mean, I know we're just kind of generating and she's not here and we don't know her exact thesis, but for now it looks like probably quality. Is it important?
I'd also say policy
Yes.
because she says that she wants it to be taught in public schools is a big thing with her.
But this is her point of stasis.
and
Yeah.
to actually teach in public schools because it affects the quality. And that's why for mine I need to focus on quality, but I have to bring a call to action.
Mm-hmm. Okay.